try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Hello guys! Today, we will be going over the laboratory procedures for particle size analysis. But first, let us define what is particle size analysis. Particle size analysis is used by geotechnical engineers to help easily classify the soils. It consists of two methods, the sieve analysis and the hydrometer analysis. In this video, we will demonstrate the sieve analysis. It involves the use of a series of sieves to help determine the grain size distribution within the coarse grain fraction of the soil.
The devices required in order to conduct a sieve analysis are stack of sieves, sieve number 4, 8, 10, 16, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, and a pan, a soil sample, about 750 grams, mortar and pestle, digital balance, pans, and brush. And now, let's do the procedure. Collect a representative soil sample weighing about 750 grams from a certain location and oven dry the sample to a constant weight. Sample having largest particles of the size number 4 sieve openings with diameter of 4.75 millimeters should be about 500 grams. For soils having largest particles of size greater than 4.75 millimeters, larger weights are needed. Second, break the soil sample into individual particles using a mortar and pestle. Note that the idea is to break up the soil into individual particles, not to break the particles themselves. Third, determine the mass of the sample accurately to 0.1 grams. Fourth, prepare a stack of sieves. A sieve with larger openings is placed above a sieve with smaller openings. The sieve at the bottom should be number 200. A bottom pan should be placed under the sieve number 200. Fifth, pour the soil prepared in step 2 into the stack of sieves from the top. Sixth, place the cover on top of the stack of sieves. Seventh, shake the sieves for about 10 to 15 minutes. Eighth, remove the stack of sieves. Weight the amount of soil retained on each sieve and bottom pan. Tenth, if a considerable amount of soil with silty and clayey fractions is retained in the number 200 sieve, it has to be washed. Washing is done by taking the number 200 sieve with the soil retained in it and pouring water through the sieve from a tap in the laboratory. 11th, when the water passing through the sieve is clean, stop the flow of water. Transfer the soil retained in the sieve at the end of washing to a porcelain evaporating dish by back washing. Put it in the oven to a dry constant weight. Note that this step is not necessary if the amount of soil retained in the number 200 sieve is small. Number 12. Determine the mass of the dry soil retained on number 200 sieve. The difference between this mass and that retained on number 200 sieve, determined in step 9, is the mass of soil it has washed through.
And after conducting the experiment, don't forget